name's Fiona and welcome back to Crocheting Diamonds. In today's video I have an unboxing for you, and this unboxing comes to us from Diamond Art Club. And as we can see by the pink stripe on the side, this kit is going to be around. So what am I showing you today? I am showing you Moonlight by Renjitha Anoop. This, as we said, is around. It is 71 centimetres by 56 centimetres or 28 inches by 22. It's a nice pretty kit with the pink blossoms. Let's get into it, shall we? So Diamond Art Club's kits will have everything in you need to do your diamond painting. So we have our toolkit. This is one of their new toolkits. Your toolkit may be a little bit different to this as they're switching over to these, as these are the new ones. But in your kit you will get, so first up, let's see this, you'll get some wax. So you get 2 plates of heart-shaped wax, and they come in this little caddy to keep them all safe in one place. You'll get a roll of washi tape. Your design may be different, but this is the one I got. You'll get some type of cover minder. I got this beautiful pink and blue butterfly. You'll get some multi-placers, which is normally a 4 and a 7 placer. And then of course you'll get a drill tray. The drill tray you get may be slightly different. They have a couple of different varieties in the drill tray at the moment. So one is this clear hard plastic one. Then they have this in another colour, which is a more of an opaque milky colour. And then another one of it in solid white. But they all this design, size, and with the stopper, just different colours. Then you'll get a drill pen, and you'll get a squishy to go with your drill pen. Your pen may be a different colour, but whatever colour pen you get, you'll normally get a corresponding squishy. And finally, you'll have some baggies to put any spare drills in that you have. So let's put those back. So let's have a look at the canvas itself, shall we? So Diamond Art Club's kits always come in this polythene bag. That will help protect your canvas from any dust, dirt or pet fur until you're ready to work on your kit. If you've tried diamond painting kits from other companies, you'll notice a difference when it comes to Diamond Art Club's canvases. They're really soft. Let's roll this out. That needs to go the other way. Okay, so those we'll put to one side for a moment. Just roll this kit out for you. So already we can see some beautiful pink blossoms. And then you've got the moon. Diamond Art Club's kits are poured glue, so that means you can roll them the opposite way. However, if your kit's not poured glue, then don't do what I'm doing now, rolling it the opposite way. You could end up damaging your canvas. But if it's poured glue, you would be able to do this. So here we have Moonlight. With Diamond Art Club's kits, you will get their slogan at the top, do what makes you sparkle. You will get a legend on the top left and another legend on the bottom right. On the bottom left you'll get the details of the painting, so you'll get a thumbnail of the image, the name of the painting, the size, dimensions, and then the artist. In the middle at the bottom you'll get all their social media details as well as a discount code for your next purchase. And then finally on the bottom right hand corner of your canvas you get the lifetime warranty. Your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. If you have any of those problems, just contact their support team at Diamond Art Club and they'll sort you out. You've got one thing to note, well not one thing but another thing to note is that with Diamond Dark Club's kits, they all have the scalloped edge and serged edge. So if I bring that in, you'll see that you've got the serge and then scalloping at the top. That helps protect your kit from fraying. So other kits you may get will have a straight edge, and they can sometimes have a tendency to fray as you're working on the canvas over time. But with this being a scalloped edge and serged, you won't have that problem. So let's bring you in and have a look at these symbols on this canvas. There we go. So we can see we've got some nice clear symbols here. So there's our canvas. Just bring it back out of it. There we go. Then with your kit you get these little bits of paper, and I'll explain them all to you. So first you get the thank you booklet from the founder, Angie Shane. Then on the inside, if you scan this QR code at the top, it will take you to a video to show you how to diamond paint if you've not done so before. And once you've bought your first Diamond Art Club kit, you can join their VIP Facebook group, and then you'll get glimpses of what's coming up in the next few weeks or months. And if you scan that QR code, that will take you there. And on this side you have written instructions on how to diamond paint if you've not done so before. Then we have some tips and tricks using release papers, tips on laying your drills, how to deal with your stickers, multi-placing, colour blocking, and uses for your washi tape. And again, another discount for your next purchase. And then finally at the back you have the option to download their app. Then you get this little sticker in your kit. So this is suggested to use in your logbook if you keep one, or you could place it on this side of your box. If you have a lot of kits in your stash and you stack them up somewhere, this will help you to easily identify the painting later. So on these little stickers you will get the name of the painting, the artist, thumbnail of the image, and then the diamond shape and size dimensions. And then you get a copy of your legend or inventory sheet. Some people refer to it as one or the other, or both. On here, again, you will have the name of the painting, the artist, the ability to put in your start date, end date, a larger thumbnail of the image you're about to diamond paint, the diamond shape and size dimensions. Then you get the list of colours, and these are all printed on sticker paper, so you can peel these up like so and kit up your diamond painting. It makes it a lot easier with them all being pre-cut. This particular painting has 23 colours in it, and it has, let's have a look, 4 ABs. So AB, if you've not heard that term before, it means Aurora Borealis. That's an iridescent coating that's placed onto the drills, and it makes them sparkle that little bit but brighter. And with Diamond Art Club and their ABs, anything under 150 on the DMC code, which is this line of numbers you see here, anything under 150 is an AB. So that means that this particular kit has 4 ABs in it. Now we have our drills. So Diamond Art Club's drills come packed like so, and they are labelled with the name of the painting. So if you're a person that stores your canvas and drills separate, you can match them up easily. Now let's have a look at these drills, shall we? Put that one to one side. Let's see this slightly bigger bag of drills first. So we have, first up we have 3607. 775, 2 bags of 775, 310, just the 1 bag, so not too much. Then we have 336, should I say, and we have multiple bags. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bags of 336, which is that navy colour. Then we have 312, which is a dark inky blue, and then 799. On to the next strip. So we have 322, we've got 2 bags of 322, 939, and we've got just 2 bags of 939. Then we have 800, this light, nice pale blue. We have 823, and we've got 2 bags of 823. We've got 3608, 803, 2 bags of 803. We've got this lovely deep red, which is 718. We've got our first AB, so this is an AB here, and you can see that shimmer and sparkle on those drills. That's what your AB coating is, and that's 141. Then we have 3609, we have 915, our second AB, this lime colour, and this is 135. Our third AB, which is 128. We have 601, 605, 602, and our final AB, 125. So that is all the drills for this canvas. Let's get them put away. So there are our drills back in the bag. Now let's see where those ABs are going in this kit. So we've got some 3s here, so little dashes of green that you can see throughout. So here in the centre of the flowers, some on the outside. That's our number 3 AB. The petals have in the number 4 AB as well. Let's see, we've got some of the 2s in the petals as well. And then the 1s are scattered through the night sky on this particular kit. So that is where our ABs are going. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this kit as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you. If you have, then please do give this video a like. And if you would like to see more content like this, then click on the subscribe button down below. Then click onto that notification bell next door, and you'll get a notification of when I upload another video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!